All right, we're in Oklahoma. I have a heater in my garage at home, and every time I come to see my daughter Lindsay, I used to think, gosh, it's awful cold out in your garage. I hate to walk out there without my shoes on to get some water out of your refrigerator in the garage. So I bought her and her husband this heater right here so that their garage could stay warm enough that they could walk out here and it wouldn't be uncomfortable. Lindsay, tell us how well that heater works in the middle of winter in Oklahoma.
It does a good job as long as you keep it running a lot and not keep your garage door open. We don't run it a whole lot unless we're home like over the weekend and it's a really cold, winter weekend. But we enjoy it, and it does definitely take the chill off the garage.
So how high do you set your thermostat, say, on the weekend where you feel comfortable out here in a cold winter day?
Well, if we're not going to be leaving, we'll turn it up, crank it up to 70 or 75, especially if we're not going to be going in and out of the garage.
You will. Mm-hmm. And it stays warm enough that you could walk out here and you're not really freezing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. So now, did you hang this heater all by yourself?
No, we hung the bracket and we hung the heater up, but we did have to hire an electrician to put the thermostat in and to put the plug up there because it has its own breaker.
Right. So, and it doesn't rotate, it just focuses, it blows wherever you point it. Mm-hmm. Okay. So now here's the deal. If you're looking for a heater that's going to make your garage at least tolerable in the wintertime, in our area of the country, it's probably not up in Wisconsin or Michigan or someplace like that, but down here, this might really work for you. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. I've been in business 40 years at Wilson Auto Repair in Garland, Texas. If you want to see other videos that I've made about car repair and not about garages, then go to my website, wilsonauto.com.